Second one, find the sum given below. They've given an AP and they've told A is 7, D is 10, 1 by 2. Convert it please. 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2 minus 7. How much is that? Take LCM 2. So 21 minus 14. 21 minus 14, 7 by 2. Correct? And they've given AN. Last term is 84. You have to find SN. Carefully understand, we have two formulas for SN. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D, and Sn equals N by 2 into A plus An. Oh, I have A and An, I can use formula 2. But do you have N? No. Can I use this? No, because I don't have N here also. In finding Sn, N is compulsory. If you don't have N, the first step is to find N. So how do we find N is the next question. I have An, I have A and D. I know a relation between A and D. Correct? So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Can I use this and find the value of N? Yes. An is 84. A is what? 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 2. If you want, you can open brackets here, or you can transfer this one by one and go. I will transfer, see how? 84 minus 7 comes aside. 84 minus 7 equals N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 how much? 77 is equal to, you want you can multiply or you can transfer 2 by 7 this side. What do we do? See, learn all techniques. You should be able to understand. 2 comes here, 7 goes down. 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 elevens are 77. 11 into 2, 22. 22 is equal to N minus 1. N is equal to 22 plus 1. N is equal to 23. So now we have the value of N, we just got it, 23. We have A, we have D and we have An. Among these two formulas, you can use any formula since we have everything now. So we will choose to use one. You can use the next formula also, no problem. This is shorter, so we'll use this. Okay, so what do we have to find? Sum of the 23 terms. So 23 by 2 into A 7 An 84. Observe, 23 by 2, 7 plus 84, 91. Nothing gets cancelled with 2, so multiply normally. 91 into 23. 23 plus 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 3902. 2093 by 2. 1s are, 0s are, 2 4s are 8. 1 will be there, so 2 6s are 12.5. Very similarly, next question. A is 34, D is 32 minus 34 minus 2. Last term An is 10. Do we have N? No. Without N you cannot find Sn. N is compulsory for Sn. So first let us find N. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 10 is equal to A 34 plus N minus 1, we don't know N. D is minus 2. Fine. 10 is equal to 34 minus 2n plus 2. 10 is equal to 34 plus 2, 36 minus 2n. Send the 36 this side. 10 minus 36 is equal to minus 2n. Minus 26 equals minus 2n. N is equal to minus 26 by minus 2, or n is equal to 13. So we have n and we have all the other terms now. You have to find Sn. You can use anything for Sn. Like, because we have last term, I will go for that term. You can always go for the other formula 2. N by 2 into A plus An. If you use 2A plus N minus 1 into D also, it's correct. It's just a little longer. So now, let's substitute. N is 13. 13 by 2. So I'm finding S13. A. What is A? 34. An 10. S13 is 13 by 2 into 44. 2 ones are 2, 22s are. S13 is equal to 13 into 22. 13 into 22. 2 3s are 6, 2 ones are 2. Add it. 286. Let's be quick now. First two sums, same technique, fast. A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5, minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. An given is minus 230. N is not given. In order to find Sn, we need compulsory n. So Sn is equal to, no, first you need n. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into dy to find the value of n. An is minus 230. A is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. I will send the minus 5 this side. Minus 230 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Any doubts? I hope not. Now minus 230 plus 5 minus 225 is equal to minus 3n plus 3. Send the plus 3 this side. Minus 225 minus 3 equals minus 3n. So this becomes minus 228 is equal to minus 3n. N is equal to minus 228 by minus 3. Minus minus cancels. 3 7s are 21, 3 6s are 18. N is equal to plus 76, which is correct. We know n has to be greater than or equal to 1. Now I want S, sum. So we have to find, now we have n equals 76, we have A, we have everything. So let's apply this now. We are going to find Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. N by 2, what is n? 76. 76 by 2. So I am finding S76. A is minus 5. An is minus 230. Solve this to get the answer now. So S76 is equal to 76 by 2. How much? 38. Minus 5 minus 230. S76 is equal to 38 into minus 235. Multiplication basic. So 235 into 38. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4. 28. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2. 18 plus 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1. 10. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1. 7. This is 13, this becomes 9, 8. 8, 9, 3, 0. Since there is a negative sign here, minus 8, 9, 3, 0 will be the sum. Be quick. They have given A as 5, D is there, An is there. You have to find N and Sn. First let us find N. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An 50, A 5 plus n minus 1 into D 3. 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. 50 is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 3n. Send that to the side. 50 minus 2 is equal to 3n. 48 is equal to 3n. N is equal to 48 by 3 or n is equal to 16. So we got n as 16. Now you have to find Sn. You have An, so you can use the first formula. Yes? Okay. So now you have S16, 16 by 2 into A. What is given as A? 5. What is An? 50. So 2 ones are, 2 8s are, 8 into 55. Be quick. You want 55 into 8, 40, 40, 44, 4, 4, 0. Third question. A7, A13 is given. First find D, they have told. So what do we know? A13 is equal to A plus 12D. A13 is 35. A is 7 plus 12 into D. 7 goes this side. 35 minus 7 equals 12D. 35 minus 7, 28 is equal to 12D. Correct? So D is equal to 28 by 12. 4 7s are, 4 3s are. D is equal to 7 by 3. Now let's go for S13. S13 is equal to n by 2 into A plus A13. Correct? So first write the general formula, then write this. Always follow that technique. Sn equals n by 2 into a plus an. Now substitute S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into a plus a13. So now S13 we want, this is 13 by 2, a, what is a? 7. What is a13? 35. 13 by 2 into 42. 2 ones are 2 21s are. 13 into 21. 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. 372. So 273, do it in your working column. So that will be your S13. So A12 and D is given in this question. A12 is A plus 11D. A12, 37 is equal to A we don't know plus 11 into 3. 37 is equal to A plus 33. Send the 33 this side. 37 minus 33 equals A. A is equal to 4. Now I want S12. Do I have A12? Yes, so we can go for the first formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus an. Substitute. S12 is equal to 12 by 2. What is the value of A? 4. And what is the value of an or A12 in this question? 37. 2 ones are 2 6s are. S12 is 6 into 41. 246. A3 is 15. So A plus 2D is 15. S10 is 125. From this you have to find D. So D is my priority right now. How do I find D? S10, in Sn formula you have two formulas. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And the other one was Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus an. They are told to find D first. There is no D in this. There is D in this. So you have to use this formula. You can use this formula and get A10, no problem. But they have asked you clearly to find D. So you use this formula first. Even if you do this formula, find A10 and then go to find D, they will give you marks. But actually speaking, according to the question, you're supposed to find D first. So now, using the second formula, what is Sn? S10 is, so I'm using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Write it down, I don't have space. Okay, so S10, what is S10? 10 by 2 into 2A. Do we have A here? No. Into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D equals 125. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. Send the 5 down. 2A plus 9D is equal to 125 by 5. 25. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Carefully listen. You cannot do equation 2 minus 1 here. Why? Because I told you in this technique at least one of the coefficients have to be the same. Meaning A and A should have the same number next to it or D and D. As you can see, no one's coefficient is the same. I will make it the same. How? There is 2A here. I will create a 2 here. How? Multiply this whole thing by 2. So when I multiply this whole thing by 2, I get 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. Now this and this is same. So now can I subtract? Yes. So let's label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So 2 minus 1. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. Subtract, subtract, subtract. 2A minus 2A cancels. 9D minus 4D, 5D. 25 minus 30, 5. D is equal to 1. They also asked to find A10. So before that, let's find A and then go ahead. I'll continue down before it gets too confusing. So the first equation was 2A plus 4D is 30. Substitute the value of D there and see. 2A plus 4 into 1 is equal to 30. 2A is equal to 26. A is equal to 13. Now I want A10. Easy. A10 is A plus 9D. What is A? 13 plus 9 into 1. 13 plus 9. How much is 13 plus 9? 22. 2a minus 2a cancels. 9d minus 4d, 5d. 25 minus 30 minus 5. d you get as minus 1. Now, use any one of the equations to find the value of a. I am using the first equation. 2a plus 9d was 25. 2a minus 9, I put d as minus 1, equals 25. Send the minus 9 that side. 2a is equal to 25 plus 9. 2a is equal to 34. a is equal to 34 by 2, which is 17. Now, I want a10. So, continue. a10 is a plus 9d. We know a is 17 and d is minus 1. 17 minus 9. Answer is, what is 17 minus 9? Yes, it is 8 itself. Next question. S9 is given. So, what is the formula of S9? n by 2, they have given d also. So, use the second formula. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S9. So, S9 is 75. N is 9 by 2. 2 into a we don't know. 9 minus 1, d given is 5. 75 is equal to 9 by 2. You can keep it here or shift it this side. Shall we shift or keep it there? Okay, we'll do it later. 2a plus 8 into 5. 75 is equal to, I am shifting here. Send the 2 up and 9 down. Why we can shift? Because here it is multiplication. Let us say this was addition. You cannot shift. It is multiplication, so you are allowed to shift. Into 2 by 9 equals 2a plus 40. 75 into 2, how much? 150. 150 by 9. Or can we cancel here? 3 3s are 9. 3 25s are. 25 into 2, 50. 50 by 3 is equal to 2a plus 40. Now what? 40 comes aside. 50 by 3 minus 40 is equal to 2a. Take LCM. 50 minus 120 by 3 is equal to 2a. 50 minus 120 minus 70 by 3 is equal to 2a. Send the 2 down. A is equal to minus 70 by 3 into 2. 1s are 35s are. A is equal to minus 35 by 3. Now they've asked us to find A9. A9 is A plus AD. Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5. Even if you don't put brackets, it's okay. You all know the BODMAS rule, multiplication first over addition. So minus 35 by 3 plus 40. LCM is 3. You want to create a 3 here. So what do we do? This one here, multiply and divide with 3. So minus 35 plus 120. Now minus 35 plus 120. What is minus 35 plus 120? Subtraction you do. 120 minus 35. 0, 11, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 11 minus 3, 8. 85. So plus 85. Why plus? Because 120 is the bigger number and its sign is plus. A9 is 85 by 3. Given A is equal to 2, D equals 8 and Sn is also given. Find n first. So what is Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Why did I decide to use this? Because they have given D, they have not given An. Sn is 90, n I don't know, I want to find. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. There are many methods to solve this. So we'll send 2 here. 180 is equal to n. 2 2s are 4 plus 8n minus 8. 180 is equal to n. 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 8n. Open brackets. 180 is equal to n into minus 4 minus 4n. N into this plus 8n square. Bring you can bring everything here or send everything there. Quadratic equation will come because it's a square. I always want my square term to be positive, so I will keep everything here and shift 180 this side. Okay. So now, okay, we'll continue here only. 8n square minus 4n is there only. I am bringing 180 this side. Minus 180 equals 0. Fine. All of them have 4 in them. Divide everyone by 4. 4n square minus n minus 180 by 4. So 180 by 4 means how much? 2 2s are 4. 2 90s are. 2 1s are 2 45s are. So it will become minus 45 is equal to 0. 4 into minus 45. See again, 4 into minus 45. What is 4 into minus 45? Minus 180. Product is minus 180. Sum is minus 1. Product is minus 180. Sum is minus 1. We have to get two such numbers whose product is 180 and sum is minus 1. You can try different combinations. From 180, if you have 2 and 90, not possible to get minus 1 at all. Next, what possible answer do we have? Will it go by 15? First, okay, we can try 15. 15, will 15 and 180 go? Yes. So 15 and 180 will go by what? 180 is here, 15. So 15 ones are 15, 3, 0. 15 twos are. 15 and 12, will it give 1? That also it will not give. So I am not able to guess the answer. I am not able to split it. What do I do? You know quadratic equations by now. So what do? We'll go by formula technique. You can split it. It's a little, we are not getting it. We are not able to do the trial and error. So we'll go for formula technique. Absolutely no problem. N is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. N is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 the whole square minus 4. A is 4, C is minus 45. Divide the whole thing by 2a. N is equal to minus of minus 1, it's becoming plus 1, or I can directly just write 1. Plus or minus root of minus 1 the whole square is 1. Minus into minus plus. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 45. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Plus 45. 0, 12, 7. 720. So plus 720 divided by 2. What was the value of A here? A's value was 4. So substitute 4 here. So n is equal to 1 plus or minus root 721 divided by 8. As we can see, all of them have a 4 in them. So divide the whole equation by 4. 8 by 4, 2. 2n square minus n minus 180 by 4. Please divide and see. You will get 45. So you have to find the product of these two. 2 into minus 45. How much is 2 into minus 45? Product is minus 90 and the sum is minus 1. Can we find two numbers where we get 90 and 1 like this? Let's try. For 90 you can go with 15, 15 and 6. It will give you 90, but will it give you minus 1? No. 30 and 3? No. So I am not able to guess it. If you can split it, try for splitting. If you cannot split, go for formula technique. I am going for formula technique. N is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is from quadratic equation chapter. If you are doing this chapter without studying quadratic equation, you will not understand this. Please do that and then come back here. N is equal to minus b minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into a is 2. C is minus 45 divided by 2 into 2. N is equal to plus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 the whole square is 1. Minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 45. Take your 45 and multiply it with 8. 8 4s are 32, 36. 360. Divided by 4. Correct? So n is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 361 by 4. 361 is a perfect square. 1 plus or minus 19 by 4. So this will give us two possible answers. N equals 1 plus 19 by 4 or n equals 1 minus 19 by 4. N is equal to 1 plus 19 is 20, 20 by 4, that is 5. N is equal to minus 18 by 4, 2 2s are 2 9s are, n equals minus 9 by 2. We know that n cannot be negative, n has to be greater than or equal to 1 and it has to be an integer only, positive integer. So this is rejected. Why? 1 it's negative, 2 it is a fraction, it's not a positive integer. So n equals 5 is your answer. In the given question, they have also asked us to find an. They have also asked us to find an. We know that a is 2 and d is 8. We know that a is 2 and d is 8. So now what to do? We know that a is 2, d is 8. We know n is equal to 5. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d, 8. 2 plus 4 into 8, 2 plus 32, 34. This is nothing but A5 because n is 5. A is given, an is given, Sn is given. Which formula of Sn will you use? N by 2 into A plus An. Why? Because An is given. If D was given, we would use the other formula. A plus An. So 210 is equal to N we don't know by 2. A is 8 plus 62. Fine. 210 is equal to N by 2 into 70. 1s are 35s are. N is equal to 210 by 35. 7 30s are, 7 5s are, 1s are, 6s are. N is equal to 6. Now they have asked us to find also D. You can use any method to find D. I have An here equal to 62. That means I have A6 because I know it is this. A6 is 32. A plus 5D is 62. So now A plus 5D, what is A? It's given the question as 8. 8 plus 5D is 62. 5D is equal to 62 minus 8. 5D is equal to 62 minus 8 is how much? 50? 54. Is it 54? Yes. D is equal to 54 by 5. So in this question, it's a little complicated. Mark the sum. You need to understand it. An, D, Sn is given. You have to find n first. So first of all, what is Sn? N by 2 into A plus An. Why am I going for this method? Because An is given. But we have a little problem here. I don't have N. I don't have A also. So this is A plus 4. Leave it, send the 2 this side. Minus 28 is equal to N into A plus 4. I don't know what to do with this. Come forward. I have An over here. You can form and you have D. Can I write An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D? 4 is equal to A plus N minus 1. I don't know. D, 2. 4 is equal to A plus 2N minus 2. Send the 2 this side. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is equal to A plus 2N. You want N. First you want N. So you cannot do simultaneous equations here. Why? Minus 28 is equal to N into A plus 4N. You cannot solve this equation with this using simultaneous, meaning 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2, because here you have two variables multiplied, x into y. For that method, it has to be A separate, x separate. So whenever you have multiplication of variables, you have to go for substitution technique. Substitution technique means take any one and substitute in other. What is A here? 6 minus 2n. I will substitute the value of A here now. So let's call this as equation 1 and 2. So you should write substituting 2 in 1. That should be your step. Observe, minus 28 is equal to n. What is the value of A? 6 minus 2n plus 4, close brackets. Minus 28 is equal to n. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 2n. Minus 28 is equal to n into 10, 10n. minus 2n square. Bring it this side. 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. All of them have a 2 in them. So divide by 2. N square minus 5n minus 14 equals 0. Product should be minus 14 and sum should be minus 5 to split. It's a quadratic equation. So you know that 7 and 2 will give 14. Minus 7 plus 2 is 5. Minus 7 into plus 2 is minus 14. So I will split it. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals 0. From the first two terms, take whatever you can common. N into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. N minus 7 common into n plus 2 equals 0. N minus 7 equals 0 and n plus 2 equals 0. N is equal to 7, n is equal to minus 2. Reject. Why? Because n has to be a positive integer. It is negative here. N is equal to 7 is the answer. They have also asked you to find the value of a. You can use any one of the equations that we have just written here. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. They have asked only for a, correct? Yes, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. So you have n. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. Substitute 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14 minus 8. So it's given a, n and s. You have to find d. Easy. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute and go. 192 is equal to 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. 192, 8 by 2 is 4, 6 plus 7d. One option is to multiply and then open or send the 4 down. I am sending the 4 down. You can do anything. 6 plus 7d. 2 2s are 4. 2 what's are 192? 2 2s are 4. 2 what's are 192? 2 9s are 18. Remainder 1. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 48 is equal to 6 plus 7d. Send the 6 that side. 48 minus 6 is equal to 7d. 42 is equal to 7d. d is equal to 42 by 7. d is equal to 6. Given L is equal to 28. L is nothing but the last term, that's nothing but an. Same, okay? L and an, some textbooks use L, some textbooks use an. We will use an. So L is nothing but an. S is equal to 144. So Sn is 144. There are total of 9 terms. N is equal to 9. Find A. There is no D given. So which formula should we go for? The first formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus an. Just substitute directly. 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into A plus 28. Send the 2 here. 144 into 2 by 9 is equal to A plus 28. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Remainder 2, 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3 16s are. 16 2s are 32. 32 is equal to A plus 28. A is equal to 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28 is 4. Value of A is 4.